Do you ever look at someone effortlessly playing an instrument, speaking a new language, or coding complex software, and wonder, how did they get so good, so fast? It often feels like a mysterious talent reserved for a select few. But what if I told you there's a repeatable, science-backed process to significantly accelerate your learning curve for any skill? Today, we're not just dreaming about mastery. We're breaking down the actionable strategies that will empower you to master any skill faster than you thought possible. We'll dive into the core principles that top performers utilize, transforming your learning journey from a slow crawl into a rapid ascent. Get ready to unlock your innate potential for accelerated skill acquisition. Our first crucial strategy is deliberate practice and skill deconstruction. Forget just putting in the hours. True mastery comes from focused, intentional effort. This means breaking down a complex skill into its smallest, most manageable components. For instance, if you're learning guitar, don't just randomly strum. Isolate specific chord changes, practice difficult finger transitions, or focus purely on rhythm exercises. It's about identifying your weakest links and dedicating focused attention to improving just those areas, rather than mindlessly repeating what you already do well. This isn't just practice, it's smart practice, directly targeting growth. Next, we harness the power of rapid feedback loops and iteration. Imagine trying to hit a target while blindfolded. It's impossible without someone telling you if you're getting warmer or colder. The faster and more specific you receive feedback on your performance, the quicker you can adjust and improve. Don't wait for annual reviews. Seek out mentors, record yourself, or use analytical tools. A public speaker might record their presentation to analyze their body language and vocal tone, while a baker tastes their batter at every stage, iterating to perfect the flavor. Immediate, constructive feedback is the fuel that propels your learning engine forward. Our third powerful accelerator combines strategic immersion with spaced repetition. Immersion means surrounding yourself with the skill, integrating it into your daily life. If you're learning a language, try to think, read, and even dream in that language. Build projects if you're coding, or engage in discussions if you're mastering a concept. This active engagement creates rich neural pathways. Complementing this is spaced repetition, which counters the natural forgetting curve. Instead of cramming, review information at increasing intervals, right before you're about to forget it. This method, backed by extensive psychological research, dramatically improves long-term memory retention and understanding. Finally, and perhaps most profoundly, cultivate a growth mindset and embrace plateaus. It's easy to get discouraged when progress slows, hitting a plateau or the dip. But these moments are not failures. They are critical junctures for deeper learning and consolidation. People with a growth mindset view challenges as opportunities to grow, understanding that effort and strategy are key to developing abilities. When you encounter a wall, instead of giving up, see it as a signal to change your approach. Seek new knowledge, or even rest and allow your brain to process. Persistence, fueled by the belief in your capacity to improve, is what truly differentiates masters from the perpetually frustrated. So, there you have it, the blueprint for mastering any skill faster. Deconstruct the skill into its core components. Establish rapid feedback loops. Immerse yourself while leveraging spaced repetition. And always maintain a growth mindset, embracing every challenge as a stepping stone. These strategies aren't magic, but they are incredibly effective when applied consistently. Which skill are you going to conquer using these methods? Share your learning goals in the comments below. If you found this video valuable, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more insights into personal growth and accelerated learning.